So guys, I just entered for a buy right now on GBP USD at this level. Just enter for a buy. So this is the first trade. This is my first trade of the week, and today's Wednesday. Let's see how it goes. I'll keep you updated. Let's see how it goes. So guys, that's it. This is my first trade of the week. So let's just wait and see how it goes. Whether it's a win, a loss, or a break even. I'll keep you updated. This is my first trade of the week. Today's Wednesday. So guys, it's currently 2. I don't know the time, but it's currently 3 o'clock Ghana time, and I just got a break-even notification that the trade has hit my break-even level. This is the alert right here. Oh, the alert is going on. I just got a break-even notification. So let's turn into the chart. Let's see how it looks like, how the trade played out to my break-even level, whether I hit my stop loss before moving back to break-even, or let's just see how it is. So let's get the trails on GBP. So let's see how it played out. So guys, the trade literally stopped me out before moving in my favor. So annoying. Nothing much to say. Stop me out. So I'm done for the day. Today is Wednesday. That's it. I'll catch you up on tomorrow, Thursday, to see how the week goes. But this a rough day. So guys, I just want to show you the reason why this trade took me out before moving in my favor. But the reason why this trade stopped me out, and it's no other reason than my own self. I caused this trade to stop me out before moving in my favor. Why? I didn't follow one of my rules. And one of my rules is I entered at this level. Let me use the pointer. I entered at this level. Which one of my rules is, if price doesn't tap into my order block, this order block, half of it, then I don't take a trade. But at the time I took this trade, price only tapped. Price just pierced, as you can see. This was the time I took the trade. I entered right here. I entered right at this level. And look at the tap. Price just tapped small into my order block, which I normally, once price does this, I normally mark out a line like this, expecting price on the 15 minutes to sweep liquidity to break below this level and close back with a wick on the 15 minutes before I look for entry. But immediately I got this, whether I was rushing, I didn't want it to miss out, I got into the trade. I didn't even realize that I didn't follow this rule. Now check on the 15 minutes, as you can see. That same line, as you can see, as per my rule, price came, swept liquidity below that line, as you can see, and closed in with a wick. This is when I look for an enter, and this is where I should have entered at this level. And then sat back, looked and said it was my fault. We normally cause our own problem. Just living in a good trade like they just to run freely, stop yard and run freely. It's painful, but there's nothing you can do. You just learn from your mistakes and move on. So I'll catch you up tomorrow, Thursday. Let's see what we are going to learn tomorrow. Whether we'll get it set up, we'll not get it set up. So I'll catch you up tomorrow, and that's it for today, and that's my lesson. And another lesson is don't trade too many pairs. Don't trade more than 5 pairs. Higher, don't trade more than 5 pairs. You'll be frustrated. That's it. You will be frustrated. So peace out for today. Let's catch up tomorrow. What's good, guys? So today is Friday, and I took a trade around London session, but I wasn't able to make a video at that time. So this was a trade I took around London session. This was a trade, and my break-even level was around this level where the arrow is pointing. So it's currently 12 noon, that's 12 p.m. I've not gotten my break-even notification yet. And after I took the trade, it moved well, but I don't know why I have not gotten a notification yet because after it will be it moved well, but up to now I have not gotten my break-even notification, which was around this level, around this high. So it's been 6 hours like my plan always says. So let's head on to the chart. Let's check whether it reverses back to stop loss or it's still consolidating. Why we didn't get a notification? So let's get into the chart right now. So guys, let's head on to my browser right now and see why we've not gotten a break-even notification yet. So this is my second trade of the week, and this week I took only 2 trades. The first trade was a loss, it took me out and it went in my favor. The second trade too. So let's open USD. Let's see. So guys, the trade reversed back to my stop loss. This is the last trade of the week. We are done for the week. 2 losses. That's it.